Hello, hello. I am back. I'm bald. Things have changed. I actually tried to do like a little bit of short form content like TikTok, Instagram Reels, things like that, but I just wasn't happy. Like I just want to do I don't know. I liked making YouTube videos. That was like the funnest for me, so I decided to just go for it and do it and not care what the trends are and everything. And if people like it, if you like it, then cool. And if you don't, then that's cool as well. But this is just for fun for me. So I am just going to go ahead and do whatever I want. So, yeah, so I shaved my head because I was overdoing my hair. I've been really busy this summer. I work for a new company. We do a lot of apartment leasing, and I just don't have time. I can't be bothered by doing my hair. Okay, I just can't be bothered. So yeah, so that is the kind of update for me. But I wanted to jump back right in and show you what my updated routine is. It's summer of 2023, so it is definitely hot outside. I definitely keep things pretty minimal. I found a new product that is very exciting. So let's just go ahead and jump right in, and I will get ready with you guys and kind of explain my whole process. So I'm still loving the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Oh, by the way, do you like the new setup? Like I have a new vibe. I'm using new camera. I think the lighting is better. The sound's definitely better. I'm using a mic, so hopefully you guys can tell that I am trying, trying to make it better. So yeah, I'm still on the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Even though it's summer, it's a very heavy moisturizer, but I just feel like I don't know, my skin is like very combo, right? So it's like oily and greasy. I get really greasy easily, but at the same time, it's super dry and flaky. So I don't know. I've just been using this and I don't know. I just like it. I'm in love with it. I can't get over it. Okay, so the next thing, I am obsessed with the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. The Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen. These two are exactly the same, okay? Exactly the same. I'll do like swatches. I'm gonna do just a dot of this one, and then a dot of this one. So they look pretty similar. This is the Supergoop. And then this is the e.l.f. Why waste it? We're gonna put both on the skin. Okay, so I'm telling you it's the same thing, and I'm just looking on the website right now. Do they sell Supergoop at Ulta now? Stop it. Oh my god, that is life-changing. So you can get points at Ulta. The Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 is $38, and then the e.l.f. is $14 at Target. It's only SPF 35, but I'd say we're pretty close. So yeah, definitely found this. Save yourself some money and just get this because it's amazing. From there, what we're gonna do, I have been loving the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken. I tried this initially, did not like it. I've been really getting back into this. I have the shade 50. At Target, it's $9.39. At Ulta, it's $13.29. But yeah, I've been really digging this again. I don't love the applicator. The applicator is like this little sponge tip. And I don't know, it just feels like really goopy and cakey, but I like the product. Grab my mirror. My mirror's like jacked up on the back, so don't judge me. But so I just like to do just a little bit in the inner corner right here where I have all the darkness. And then I just blend it out with my foundation brush. And I just tap and swirl, tap and swirl. And I try to get like a little bit here on this outer edge. And I try not to get too much on my nose here. And then like I'll take kind of the excess with my pinky and get it out of the corner because I notice that sometimes it collects in there. But look at the difference. So I feel it because have really dark circles under my eyes, so I hate that. So I just feel like this just brightens it. It's not too heavy. It looks really natural on the skin. So I've really been really into this again. So I'm gonna quickly do the other side. And I just do a little bit. Like, you don't wanna overdo it. See, we just look brightened and more awake, cuter, maybe. I've been trying this Sonia Kashuk flat top foundation brush. This is what it looks like. I am digging the shape and the texture of it. It's kind of dirty, but it is a little bit rough. Like, it's not the softest thing. I used to use the Morphe. I don't even remember what it was, but it was started shedding and it just became a hot mess. So I had to find a new concealer slash foundation brush. I haven't really tested out many. This is only the second one that I've tried. So maybe I'll do a video on more of my thoughts on some brushes later on once I test some more. Okay, so now that we've concealed a little bit, we look brighter, we look fresher. So I have been loving this Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Powder. It is so dirty. And it's not gonna focus. This is vegan collagen, tea tree. I got the shade medium tan. This is only $3.29 at Target. This is fantastic. So I got the shade medium tan. The packaging is terrible. I've gotten 2 of these and I've broken both of the tops off. So that's not great, but for $3 and something 9 cents, like, you can't beat it. Hold on, my air conditioning is gonna turn on. Come on, air conditioning, turn off. You're too loud. Been using this for a couple of months and the light medium was good, but I feel like now that it's summer, I went just a little bit darker shade and then I actually I dropped the other one and it shattered everywhere, but it's $3.29. Like, it's gonna be fine. So anyway, so this is the shade that I'm using right now during the summer because I wanna look like a bronzy goddess. So I just press this and I try not to get into the area where I set the concealer because I don't really like the way that concealer looks when it's set with the powder. I feel like it gets kind of crunchy. I'd rather have a little bit of creasing and not set with the powder than have it look like crunchy. So I try to avoid that area, but I just press it onto the skin. So I'll dip in and press. Kind of bring it in the hairline onto the ear. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell the difference on camera, but this powder is amazing. It blurs the skin. It keeps me matte, but not crunchy. I cannot even believe the price. It's very light coverage. It's not like a powder foundation, so it's just supposed to like mattify you and it keeps you very matte, which I love. All right, so that's it. That is the finished look. Like, it's only a couple of steps. I moisturize, I sunscreen, I do a little concealer, and I set everything because you definitely want to set like these sunscreens with some sort of powder because they will get a little oily, at least on my skin. So this is kind of the perfect, it gives you just a tiny little bit of coverage, blurs, and then sets the sunscreen. So that's all I do. And I feel like I look so cute. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, no, but it's really simple right now. It's really hot outside, so I like to keep it simple. So anyway, I am back. I'm so excited. I'm excited about my new setup. I have a lot of stuff that I want to do. I'm going to try to do 3 times a week, but we're going to see how that goes. I'm going to try to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I think I'm going to upload at 8 a.m. so that, you can check it out during the day. I don't know. We're getting back into it, but I'm happy to be back. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and I will check you out on my next one very soon. Bye.